Thanks, everyone. My name is Harold Khalid. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Alkymi, and what we're focusing on is enterprise automation. About half of the capital markets workflows and about 30% of enterprise data is unstructured. And so these workflows, of course, are often relying on different kinds of manually formatted data, typically data and documents that end up slowing down our industry and causing an enormous amount of inefficiency. What does a typical workflow look like? Well, someone will receive some information, have to read it, understand the content, find the relevant text, and typically copy-paste it into a spreadsheet, into an application, or a document. And this workflow exists everywhere. Every one of your organizations have it. It exists in the front office, in the middle office, and of course in the back office. And it hasn't been automated because it requires human comprehension. And that's our mission. We are trying to understand documents so we can automate tasks that require human comprehension. And that can open up a tremendous wave of automation. To take this challenge on, we built a team in New York. I have a background at Bloomberg, where I built a business from 0 to over 1,000 clients. Adam, my co-founder who's here today, has 7 years of hands-on experience in NLP and deep learning from X.AI. And Alex has built software for several great New York startups and for Goldman Sachs. So what do? Well, we take documents, PDF documents, Word documents, typically that you receive from your clients or your counterparties, and we do two things to them. First, we apply computer vision to understand the formatting. That makes sense because a lot of documents are formatted so they're easy for humans to understand and read. They highlight the important information. They create different kinds of important clues that you can use, and we use those clues. And secondly, we do NLP so we can turn those documents into actionable data that can automate your process. First of all, let me talk to you about computer vision. Just like self-driving cars overlay boundary boxes on objects like pedestrians, traffic lights, and other cars, we do the same thing, except it's for financial documents. So we find paragraphs, tables, and charts, and we pre-process every single document using computer vision. And that, of course, means we can anchor and provide very clean data for all of our models. So when we do NLP, every single piece of data, we know exactly where it comes from. We use all this layout clues to do much better predictions, and we have specific industry taxonomies and entity resolution built in. This is important. Financial services, after all, is an industry that runs on data, so these taxonomies help you get exactly the insight you want. Now, how do we do it? Well, first of all, we provide an automation tool that allows your users to simply move their manual workflow into our software. If they're highlighting things in a document or a spreadsheet, they'll do the exact same thing in our software. We have active learning that compresses that task, and after a short period of time, the task is automated. We also have a design that's known as human in the loop. So there's going to be no lower level predictions that are passing through our systems. Humans can be introduced, can fix the errors, and our system gets smarter. And finally, you have traceability. So this concern about AI being a black box, it goes away with our approach. With computer vision, we can point you back straight to where in the document the data is coming from. So let me just show you quickly how that works. We have a beta. What you're looking at here is an equity research report where we're taking all of the data out. Some of you that care about this may be really excited to know that we can take table data extremely accurately out of any document that you have. Private company financials, invoice data, etc. All of it is automated, and you can see the computer vision and NLP working together to take all the data out of documents to automate the task that many of your users probably are struggling with, which is rote, manual, copy-paste. If this is interesting to you, don't hesitate to look us up. We would love to work with you. We already have POCs with several large financial services institutions. Many of the backers that are behind the program here are interested in this, so we'll find us outside, or you can send me an email at harold@alkymi.io. Thank you very much.